The partnership began several years ago between our assistive technology folks and the industrial design faculty, and it was innovative in the fact that they came together and they worked with individuals with disabilities, and the goal was to develop assistive technology with the user as part of the team. As a veteran, I thought, what a great opportunity to apply this same kind of model to individuals who may be new to disability and who may be looking to transition back to different kinds of employment or even to the university setting and to get a degree. We basically put together a grant for the Auburn University Intramural Grant Program, and to not only conceptually design products, which was done in the past, but to fund some of these products, to take them from concept to completion and be able to, and for the veteran to be able to walk away with technology that they were instrumental in designing.
2 years ago, I was actually one of the participants, one of the client users for the class. Scott asked me to come on and do that, and so as I continued into my graduate studies, I want to work with people with disabilities, and so I knew that this would be a class that would help me to learn more about the process of developing technology for people with disabilities, so I decided to take the class.
I wasn't sure I'd be able to contribute or that they would be able to do much for me because I'm so mobile and I don't use many assistive devices or anything, so you know, I don't really think about other little things. I've been an amputee so long, since 1967. But once we met and started talking and talked with the students, and we started to think about the things they identified or we identified together, and it worked out. You know, I had not really thought about the device we came up with. Like the other vets, you know, I think about all of us are concerned and interested in the quality of life of other vets. When I came back from Vietnam, I don't think there was near that level of concern since the Iraqi war, especially. I think there's been a much greater interest among the vets and from the general population in the quality of life, and when we see so many traumatic injuries. So, you know, like other vets, I'm interested in doing what I can to help the other returning vets.
To me personally, it was a really awesome experience to be able to see somebody come in and say, "This is what I need. This is where I'm struggling," and to see the development process that the industrial design students have and their creativity really inspired me to kind of evaluate the way that I do things in my own life as a person with a disability.
I think one of the important things that really came out of this was the veterans that were involved in this iteration, because we will have another iteration in the spring, is that they were just as excited at the possibility to help other veterans. Like if we couldn't help them or they couldn't design something that was specific to their needs, the fact that they were part of the team and could help apply that using universal design to other veterans really motivated them just as much as their own individual opportunity. So I think that was the biggest outcome.